The two teams, the coalition management and technical teams, claim to have struck a deal. The so-called deal states that the two parties agree to a hybrid system of government with presidential and parliamentary systems. Under that arrangement, there will be a prime minister who is the leader of the party with majority in parliament. A council of state will be formed to resolve disputes between the president and prime minister in instances where they are not from the same party. The team also agreed that the president be elected directly by the public. But it is really an agreement that has no substance, as the two teams could not agree on critical issues.
There are still a number of outstanding issues which the committee is still deliberating on, and amongst several contentious issues are A, the executive functions, the composition of the cabinet, and harmonization of policies in circumstances where the president and prime minister are from different political parties and are not in a coalition.
The functions of the executive and composition of the cabinet have remained the most contentious issues as far as the president's powers and the role of the prime minister are concerned. And as long as they remain unaddressed, the claims to an agreement by the partners will ring hollow. Indeed, this glaring omission of the two critical issues was most likely the reason behind their reluctance to be interrogated.
We have agreed that we are not taking any questions. We are not going to allow what we have already agreed upon to be perverted in any way.
A host of other issues remain unaddressed. The legislature, representation, and whether there should be a Senate. There is also no agreement on the structure of the devolved government, and with all these issues pending, both ODM and the PNU coalition have submitted their proposals to the committee of experts separately to push their divergent positions.
That although the Grand Coalition partners may present separate positions to the committee of experts, they are both determined to bridge the differences.
And hope for success in bridging those differences is the one thing that Kenyans may be forced to rely on, as it becomes apparent that even though they have announced having reached an agreement, it is one that has avoided tackling all the sources of conflict.